Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best all-in-one coffee and espresso maker for 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best all-in-one coffee and espresso maker for 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience cafe-quality coffee at home with the AIRMSEN espresso machine, designed for coffee lovers who demand precision, flavor, and convenience. This all-in-one stainless steel machine features a built-in Burr grinder, ensuring every cup is brewed from freshly ground beans for maximum aroma and smooth, rich taste. With its 20-bar professional pressure system, you'll enjoy consistently bold, full-bodied espresso shots, just like your favorite coffee shop. The powerful milk frother steam wand allows you to effortlessly craft creamy lattes, velvety cappuccinos, and silky microfoam for latte art. Whether you prefer hot drinks or refreshing cold brews, the AIRMSEN delivers versatility to match any mood or season. Built with durability in mind, the stainless steel construction adds a sleek, modern touch to any kitchen while ensuring long-lasting performance. User-friendly controls make brewing simple for beginners and satisfying for experienced baristas. From grinding to brewing to frothing, the AIRMSEN espresso machine brings the entire coffeehouse experience into your home. Perfect for elevating your morning routine or impressing guests with professional-grade beverages. Number 2. Experience cafe-quality coffee right at home with a Tamper all-in-one espresso machine with grinder. Designed for coffee lovers who crave freshness and convenience, this machine features a built-in conical Burr grinder that delivers consistent, aromatic grounds for every brew. With an impressive 20-bar pressure system, it expertly extracts rich flavor and silky crema, giving you professional-grade espresso in minutes. Crafted with durable stainless steel, this espresso maker adds a modern, elegant touch to any kitchen while ensuring long-lasting performance. The included milk frother allows you to effortlessly create creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and more. Perfect for elevating your morning routine or impressing guests with barista-style beverages. Whether you prefer bold espresso shots or smooth, milky drinks, the Tamper machine provides precise control so you can customize every cup to your taste. Easy-to-use controls and a thoughtful all-in-one design make it ideal for beginners and coffee enthusiasts alike. Bring the coffee shop home and enjoy fresh, flavorful drinks anytime with the Tamper espresso machine, your complete solution for brewing perfection. Number 3. Discover the ultimate at-home coffee experience with the Gevi espresso machine with grinder and milk frother. Designed for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality beverages without leaving home. This powerful machine features a 20-bar professional pressure system that extracts rich flavor, deep aroma, and a perfectly thick crema every time. Equipped with a built-in grinder, it delivers freshly ground beans for every cup, ensuring maximum freshness and customization. The grinder offers multiple settings, so you can fine-tune the texture to suit espresso, cappuccino, latte, or any specialty drink you desire. The advanced steam wand makes it effortless to create silky, microfoam milk, ideal for latte art and creamy textures. Whether you're crafting a bold espresso shot or a smooth latte, this machine gives you complete control. Its removable water tank makes refilling and cleaning simple, while the sleek, modern design fits perfectly in any kitchen. Durable, reliable, and easy to operate, the Gevi espresso machine is perfect for beginners and seasoned coffee enthusiasts alike. Elevate your daily routine and enjoy barista-level coffee from the comfort of your home with this all-in-one professional espresso maker. Number 4. Elevate your home coffee experience with a COUPLUX 58mm professional espresso machine, designed for true espresso enthusiasts who crave cafe-quality results. Equipped with a built-in precision grinder, this machine delivers consistently fresh grounds for every shot, ensuring rich aroma and bold flavor. The commercial-grade 58mm portafilter allows for optimal extraction, giving you the deep, full-bodied espresso you love. With its powerful 15-bar pressure pump, The COUPLUX espresso machine produces a silky crema and balanced espresso every time. The advanced steam wand and milk frother make crafting velvety lattes, creamy cappuccinos, and other specialty drinks effortless, even for beginners. Whether you prefer subtle microfoam or thick froth, this machine puts full control in your hands. Built with durability and ease of use in mind, it features intuitive controls, quick heating, and a sleek, modern design that enhances any kitchen. Perfect for daily use, entertaining guests, or upgrading your morning ritual. The COUPLUX espresso machine delivers unmatched performance and professional results right at home. Number 5. Experience cafe-quality coffee at home with the Kenmore espresso machine, the ultimate automatic coffee maker for coffee enthusiasts. Designed for both convenience and precision, this all-in-one machine features a built-in bean grinder, ensuring freshly ground coffee for every cup. Whether you crave a robust espresso, creamy cappuccino, or frothy latte, its integrated milk steamer and frother allow you to craft professional beverages with ease. Take control of your brew with the manual Tamper, allowing for optimal coffee extraction and flavor. The intuitive interface makes selecting your preferred strength and size effortless, while the automatic cleaning function ensures your machine stays spotless with minimal effort. Durable and stylish, the Kenmore espresso machine combines modern design with professional-grade performance, making it perfect for both casual coffee lovers and serious baristas. Indulge in the rich aroma and bold taste of freshly brewed coffee every morning. With the Kenmore espresso machine, every cup is a perfect balance of flavor, froth, and satisfaction, bringing the barista experience directly to your kitchen.